Things have been tough and the Mondays can be so rough. Go on, shake it off, baby, tell me how you doing. Yeah, can't sleep throughout the night and you're working from 9 to 5 with the dishes piled, got you drowning in the deep end. And every little day's the same, it feels like things will never change. So take me too far. Friday comes rolling round, all your friends gathering downtown. Come on, take a break, take a shot for the weekend. So much is